right, so for those of us who are looking at designing a website with your phone on Wix.com, this is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to do that, and I'm sure that it's going to be beneficial. So the first thing you should have is that you should have a Google Chrome on your phone. That always come with most Android phones, so you can browse with Google Chrome. So once you go on your browser, already Wix is open, but I can just do it, just type wix.com. So when you go to wix.com, you are going to be having, it's going to open this page. I just did that so that you know. So you come to get started. Now note the interface, that is the way it will look on the phone, is going to be different from the way it will look on your laptop. So on the laptop, it's going to have a different interface. I'm going to do a tutorial on that, so you can still check out the tutorial for how to design a simple website on Wix with your laptop. So here you are going to answer a few questions. It's saying, what is your website for? So you ask, you want to um think about it. What is your focus going to be for? What are you doing? What is your business going to be? Because every website should have something to do. So for me, I can say design business. So having chosen that, you click on the arrow and you go forward. It's asking again, does your website need any of the following features? Do you want to sell online? Do you want to take bookings? Do you want to get subscribers? Do you want to create blog? This will inform the AI, that is the artificial intelligence that is used to design the website, to know the kind of template and how to integrate it. So let's say I'm doing all these things. So we look at how it's going to be like. So I chose everything, and you click the arrow up. Then it's saying, what is the name of your business or website? So the name of my business or website, say it's going to be let's just say best graphics. So let's just say it's going to be best graphics. Okay, best graphics. All right, so and it says, where is it going to be located? I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. I just put Lagos. Now note, most of these things you can always change it later. So I choose Lagos, Nigeria. And is your business name already online? So if you are online, it will check for you, and if not, so let's see, it's searching. So is one of these you? Now this is not me, so I skip. So I'm going to add name. This is the name, best graphics, email, I think did now. I'm going to really, you may need to watch for those who don't know how to open um to open your account. There will be a simple tutorial on that. So but basically this is for those who have an account and just want to work with the interface. So I already have the account, so it just brought me in. So the email is at gmail.com. Then you can use your phone number if you want, my Lagos, Nigeria. But for now, I'm not putting phone number. If you want to put social media accounts, you can post your links here. Now to post your link, you want to go to, if let's say I want to put my Instagram page, so I come, I think Instagram is already open. This is for our Instagram page for design. So I come to our page. This is our page, Brown Culture, and that's my company. So I can just choose, or let me use, okay, the one for design. This is Brown Culture Design. So I can I can go there straight up, and sorry about that. Let me search for the one I'm using. Brown Culture Design. That's the one I want to use. Okay, so we have different companies on Instagram. Then you come to this icon to copy. So you say copy profile URL. So once you've copied that, you go back and you you come to social account and you paste it. So once you paste that there, it's done. Then you come back to the arrow up here and you go continue. Now this is one of the fun and beautiful parts, where you are going to choose the kind of theme you want: fresh, bold, agency, elegant, clean, Soho, minimal, Vogue, Spark. A lot of themes that you can choose from. But let me just go with I think I want to go with Vogue. Let's see. So it's as simple as that. Then you click on build site. That's for your phone. Now, when you do this, it's going to work. It's going to work in the background for some few minutes, and you may just need to wait for that. So it does that. Depending on your network, also, what your network is like, that's what will determine how slow or how fast this putting it all together will be. So let's see how it goes right now. So I'm also waiting and waiting. I think my network is not very fast this afternoon right now. So let's see what happens. So all right, so here we are. Now best graphic is done already. So I have my site. Now it has given me everything I need. All I just need to do is to edit all this, to customize them into mine. So how do I want to do it now? Because I'm in Nigeria, it's already, because and I chose that I want to sell products, it has already put it there for me, 85 naira for a product. So if I want to edit it, all I need to do, okay, let's just preview our site and see how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like. More like, okay, okay, okay. Basically, that's okay. Sorry, this is just the way it looks like. But then, if you now want to publish, you just click on publish. But then, I'm sure you want to add some details that are personal to you to to this site. So if you want to edit it, you come back to um, you go you come here, just click on that, and you can see some of the things where you can things you want to edit. So if you want to say you want to edit your, okay, come back, sorry. Now let's come to edit site. So yeah, so if you want to edit anything, you have to click on it, like just the way I did. So let's say I want to replace these pictures right now. All I need to do is just to click on it. Then there are some pictures, there are images already in Wix you can use, and I can decide to use my own images. I can decide to add. So once I click on this plus sign, then I come to files. Then I can decide to add. I have some designs here, but let me just look at a picture that I may want to just add. Okay, say I want to add just a recent business card that I designed for a company. So if I replace it with that and I click done, see, it's as simple as that. It has replaced it. Then title, I may decide to change the title to your design space. Then subtitle again, you may decide to switch that on, or you may decide to leave it. But let's say if I decide to switch it on, sorry about this, um what's it called, coming up. So subtitle, you can decide to choose, it's saying inspiring creativity. You can decide to just say um um we deliver the best design in Nigeria. So you can just be creative, think about what you want to use. Then there is a customized description there. You can decide to change the description. It's already saying since 2000. So if you want to change it, all you need to do is just to click on this icon, and it does that for you. So you go in there. I'm not going to mess around with that because it's a whole lot that you need to think of. This is just a quick tutorial. Then you can decide to put a link to it saying get in touch. So where do you want them to link to? So if you want them to link to, let's say for example, I want them to link to a page on my on that website, or I want them to link to a website. So let's say I want them to link to my Instagram page, I put it there. But if it's that I want them to link, I want it to link to another site. So if I put this there right now, it's going to link us straight up to my website, to my Instagram page, but I'm not doing that right now. So I can say if it is email, then that means once they click, it opens your email, they can chat you up. If it is phone that you want anybody that click on it to call you, then you can do that. But then let's just leave it at to a page. The best to do is let's link it to like a contact page, or for this one you can say bookings checkout. So it will link the select a section that is where you want it to be. So can just say booking underscore checkout. So that's that. And now after you've done that, you can also add more buttons. This get in touch button is linked. You can just do another one and say instead of get in touch, let's just call this um let's call this let's call this say see or see, okay, just say see my page. Say you want them to go to your Instagram page, so you can link it right now. And this one, now if you want them to go to a page, you come down and you come to web, and once you come to web, you click on this and you paste it. Bam, done. Once you've done that, let's see how it goes. This is done. It's going to update. It's going to update, and once it updates, every changes that you've made right now will be uploaded. Every changes that you've made, every change you've made. Now look at it, your design space. We deliver the best design in Nigeria and everything. This is Get in touch. This see my page. If you click on see my page right now, I'm coming. Okay, it went back to, it's already linked, so it's showing me like I want to edit it. So right now, if you click on anything at all, it's just going to take you inside to edit. Continue in the Wix mobile app. Okay, if go to the app to manage your online store and let customer easily buy products on the go. Now to do this, to make it better, you may need to just get the app, but for now in this video I won't be teaching you how to do that. In another video I will show you how to work on the app. But for this video, I just want to show you how simple it is to create the site. So if you want to get the app, just click on get the app, and it will take you straight into the app, and you can manage your store right there. Then here also it said get to know best graphics, so you can click on it to replace the picture, just as I told you. Let's say for this one I want to choose this that is from, and done. You see, the other time we uploaded the picture, but right now we are choosing a picture there. So get to know best graphics, give your own description, subtitle. It's not the same process like the last one we did. So, and it's going to work things out. Now you will need to spend time on this for you to get the best out of it. You will need to spend a lot of time, just working on it. For those using the laptop, I know there are some things that will be faster for you, because at least you'll be able to maneuver things. But then you shouldn't be, why I'm creating this is that you should not be limited. You should not be limited because you don't have maybe a laptop or something. At least you can still work. So whatever you want to change on this site, you just come to the section and you click on it and you can work on it. If you still want to do description here, you click on it. And whatever you don't want, for example, let's say if let's say when I got here, let me go back up. Okay, let's say for now you don't want this, get this description. All you just have to do is to click on to switch this icon off, and when you click on done, you find out that by the time you are coming back, it's not there. See, let's let it load, and you can always work with it. that way. So whatever you want to see now, it's not there again. The description is not there. So you can decide to now, having done everything, you can decide to publish your site. So once you want to publish your site is live. So you can use it to promote your business. You can use it to do a lot of things. Now this is your site. So the site, what the site will do is, when they are creating the site for you, it will start with your own name dot website, then that specific site.com. So because the name you use to open to register, I use Adafin Deji, that's my name. So but then we can decide to view. Now let's see how the site really look on online. So this is how the site looks. My site looks online. And join us on the Wix app. You can see everything that is done. You see how beautiful it is. It even have a video that you can upload. This is your project title. This is your project decision. You can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things there. So now it all depends on your creativity. This is why I tell people that in design you shouldn't just, you need to improve your design skills, so it will help you. And that's why, if you really want to go for design skills, you can, just let us know, and you will get more information about how to really design. There is not just about using a software, but about creating designs that are appealing to the eye. So this is simple, straightforward. That way you can just create your own site, and your site is live right now. If you have any question, you can drop it, and I'll be willing to answer and do another video just to help you. But for now, this is how easy it is. How easy. Now, something I just want to also tell you, if you go back, you find out that the Wix site also have their own domain. You can get your domain from them. You can click, there is a link I'm going to put in the description that you can click on, so you can also get your domain name from them. But it doesn't really matter. You may decide not to do that. You may get your own domain from somewhere else, and just use this as a simple site. But getting started, it makes things easier, and you learn. So that's just one of the ways to learning. I hope this has been helpful to you. Thank you very much.